instantly access the vibration of wealth, abundance, and money through this special law of attraction exercise. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you that Rachel and I do a special clearing and healing full moon exercise every month. And we invite people from all over the world to join us on the full moon. We schedule it at different times so it fits with your schedule because we know that you live in different places. And we bring healing, we bring Reiki energy, we bring love vibration, we bring empowerment energy, abundance energy. We do it every full moon. But to sign up, you have to go to clearingandhealing.com. That's clearingandhealing.com. Instantly access vibration of wealth and money and abundance through the law of attraction. Act as if you are worthy. This is a huge key, high flyers. I can't overemphasize this. Act as if you are worthy of the money. Sometimes people that don't have money act as if they are kind of not worthy, like, I'm just not worthy of that. Everybody else is, but not me. Put your shoulders back. Take a deep breath. I am worthy of $1 million or 5 million or 10 million. You put the number there. But say it to yourself. I am worthy of $1 million, of $5 million, of $10 million. And what'll happen is when you reach the million, then you'll start saying 5 million. When you reach the 5, you'll start saying $10 million. It's very important that you absolutely act as if you are totally and completely worthy of wealth and abundance because you are. So high flyers, I think the next part of this process is to get an abundance notebook. And again, I have several notebooks and scripting diaries. Each one serves a different purpose, but I have one that is specifically for increase. I love that word. Say it with me. Increase. Oh yeah, feel that increase. Write in detail in your book where you live. Not where you live now, where you live when you have $1 million. Where you live when you have $5 million. Where do you live at? What city do you live in? What state do you live in? Do you live on the beach? Do you live in the mountains? Do you have two places? One on the beach, one on the mountains. But write it down. I own a beautiful house on the beach, or I own a beautiful mountain villa. Write it down and be clear and describe it in intimate detail. I mean, the more detail you can put there, I think the better. What do you do? What do you do for this money? How do you keep this money flowing into your life? In other words, perhaps this money has come to you in one lump sum. Perhaps it's come in a number of different ways. But how do you keep more of it flowing into your life? What do you do? What kind of car do you drive? What kind of clothing do you wear? What brand names do you like? Are you the kind of guy that wears jeans and t-shirt and an old pair of tennis shoes? Or do you like wearing that nice three-piece suit or that new dress? I mean, that's up to you, but describe it in detail. And do this for 28 days minimum. Now, I do it continuously. every day. But I urge you, 28 days minimum, because as you are writing this down in your notebook, you are sending a message, a powerful message to your subconscious mind that you are worthy of abundance, that this is the life that you are living, and the universe, it matches you like a beautiful mirror. It says, oh yeah, this is what he is living in his mind. This is what she will be living in her life. So be very, very clear. Be very, very detailed. Describe your day. I think that's a great one. You get up in the morning. What's your day like after you have $5 million in the bank? What's your day like after you have $1 million in the bank? What is your day like? What is your routine like? Describe some of the people that you're now associating with. What kind of people are you associating with? What have you always wanted to do that now you can do? Now that you have the freedom to do so much more, what are you doing with your time? Of course, a huge secret is to write in present tense and to write with feelings as well. In other words, don't just talk about driving your new Jaguar or your new Cadillac. What does it feel like to feel that leather wheel, to feel the energy of that car? What does it feel like to walk into your home and look around and see the decorating that you've done and the plants and the windows and the art? What does it feel like inside? What does it make you feel? Because feelings are how we attract. If you're only writing logically, or you're only describing things, even if you're doing it in present tense, and you don't feel it, you are not jacking up the juice. You are not connecting to the vibration of money, of abundance, of love, of prosperity. Now, also, I think it's important to write about what you have become. What have you become? What have you changed into? What did you have to transform into in order to attract this money? And what did you have to become? What are you now that allows you to keep attracting this money? Well, high flyers, I also think it's important, now that you have all this wealth and this abundance, to write down about, who do you want to help? Who are the people that you want to help? What are the charities or organizations that you want to help? Do you want to open up your own foundation? Is there a group of people that you feel are being neglected that you can help with some of your wealth and prosperity? Write it down and put it in clear, concise detail. And remember to add feeling to it. And of course, I love this one. Write down all the toys you have now. You've got some very, very cool toys. Maybe you have some snowmobiles, some new snowmobiles, or maybe you've bought a new boat. Whatever your toys are, write about your toys and write about it in intimate detail and describe how you are playing with your toys, how much fun you're having, how much fun your family's having. Write about your toys. And of course, high flyers, I believe it's important. I think it's probably the most important to write about your gratitude. But in addition to writing about your gratitude, you're going to write every single day. And then at the end, you're going to end with just some short shamanic tapping. And you're just simply going to focus on wealth and abundance and gratitude. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. I am grateful for all the wealth that continues to flow into my life in large amounts. Now put your hands together and rub them. And slowly pull your hands apart. And breathe into your hands that space. And say the word wealth, abundance, money. And feel the energy. Oh, it feels good. And some people see the energy as clear, some people just feel it. I tend to turn it blue with some beautiful gold specks. Bright, royal blue. Because it's not just money. It's abundance, it's wealth. A bright, royal blue energy with gold specks. Pull it up over my head. Pull it down and breathe in. Feel the wealth and abundance and prosperity flowing into your body, your energy field, and to your life. So, high flyers, to recap, you've written it down, you've scripted very specific types of scripting that I've shared with you. You've done some short shamanic tapping. Now get out and take some action. Take some bold, strong action. Leverage this energy to bring increasing wealth into your life each and every day. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.